Rumors are swirling that Qatar is becoming the world's biggest Bitcoin whale that we have ever seen. It sends chills down the spines of crypto psychos and the price of Bitcoin to the moon as we break through all-time highs. If the rumors are true, this would be absolute rocket fuel for Bitcoin as we approach the new price discovery. Welcome to the blockchain basement, my dwellers. This is a place where you can get based daily. I'm your host, The Druth, and today I'm going to bring you another reason why I'm an absolute Bitcoin lunatic and a major advocate for the cryptocurrency industry, and why you should be too. The beautiful thing about blockchain is that at any given moment, every crypto wallet, how much they're holding, when they last purchased or sold, is all available for public scrutiny and transparency. Which is how today I'm going to connect the dots between the Emir of Qatar paying a visit to the president of El Salvador back in September to a mysterious wallet dubbed Mr. 100. This wallet was created just 2 months after this important meeting of the minds between these two leaders and has grabbed significant attention for grabbing up billions of dollars in Bitcoin at lightning speed. The Mr. 100 wallet has been buying chunks of around 100 Bitcoin per transaction, often multiple times a day, for months on end. Whoever it is, they are highly motivated to have a world-class stash of Satoshis, having climbed to the 15th largest Bitcoin wallet holder in just 5 months, according to Bitfinex. Currently, the wallet is valued at around $3.4 billion, but that number is moving quick. This is a massive chunk of change to be aggressively hammering into crypto. Emir of Qatar and El Salvador have seemed to have come to a firm conclusion that Bitcoin is the way of the future, having gone on a second meeting just recently to have further discussion. Now, you may be wondering at home, what or where exactly is Qatar? All the answers you need on this are just a few clicks away, but to sum it up, it was the richest country in the world for many years, and only recently, over the past few years, has dropped to 4th place. This is exactly the type of sovereign wealth fund that could be the source for this massive whale entering the market. Only something of that magnitude could accumulate Bitcoin by the hundreds in the recent months. This isn't so far-fetched if you start to think about it. All the ETFs are on the books, those wallet addresses are known. This wallet in particular is independent of those wallet addresses. Further investigations on this wallet address have all pointed to this location being in either Asia or the Middle East, which would align perfectly with this overall thesis. Not to mention that Qatar has had eyes on crypto investments in a big way over the last recent few years. On the QIA website itself, it says that they're focused on emerging trends that are defining the future of global financial systems, including global distribution of the rise of new technologies. Now, if that doesn't smell like Bitcoin, I don't know what does. Oh yeah. And believe me, I do. The QIA is currently responsible for the management of about $500 billion worth of assets and investments. This is precisely why the rumors are pointing that Qatar is going to dump $500 billion into Bitcoin. But the reality is that these funds are allocated into many different types of assets. However, it is worth noting that recently the QIA announced that they are going to be expanding their venture capital funding and have expressed interest in hammering into the tech industry. All of these pieces of the puzzle come together and point to the strong potential. Mr. 100 might in fact be the QIA. The real beauty in Bitcoin is that yes, you can transact the wallets and all of those underlying things, but there's no name connected to it, so it's all speculation at this point. But something is clear, that FOMO is hitting national sovereign wealth funds. It is my opinion that they're not going to dump all $500 billion worth of assets into this, but $3 billion would just be the beginning of the venture into this disruptive technology. Let me know down in the comments below who you think Mr. 100 really is. Is it the US government, another sovereign wealth fund, or Nancy Pelosi? Make sure to hit that like button to stay up to date with crypto and Bitcoin as the bull market returns in roaring fashion. We are setting the stage for what is known as the hypercycle, the supercycle, the big kahuna. If you're not prepared, get prepared now, and I'll see you at the top.